Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 195. AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So here the main problem, the possible cause is caused by your system antivirus software, firewall settings, or the AMD server are temporarily offline for maintenance. So let's jump to the last problem first. The AMD server are temporarily offline for maintenance. Consider installing the AMD software package later. The AMD server may be temporarily offline due to the maintenance, so you cannot do anything, just wait. And here the first solution, please make sure you're running the latest version of AMD Auto Detect and Install tool. You can download from the AMD driver page or the full AMD driver package, which can be found here. Here we go. You can open this driver and support for processor and graphics. You can use the auto detect and install driver updates if your first time, of course, and check your antivirus software and definition are up to date, and then rerun the AMD software installer. You may also consider to disable your antivirus software temporarily until the installation of the AMD software package is complete. So you can turn off temporarily your virus and threat protection. You can click manage settings, turn off the real-time protection. And here the third, configure your system firewall setting to allow traffic with AMD server while the AMD software installer is running. So you can open firewall or just type allow app through Windows firewall, click, and here you can search the AMD and click allow. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.